Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Lulu here. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I have a very exciting topic for you. I'm going to show you how to use bold, dramatic and powerful tones in Nordic design style. Nordic design style is not only about whites, grays and blues. You can also use colors like greens, yellows, pinks, blacks, and metallics to create stunning and cozy spaces. You might be wondering, why would you want to use bold, dramatic, and powerful tones in Nordic design style? Well, there are many reasons for that. For example, you can create a focal point and a sense of drama in a room. You can add warmth and personality to a space. You can reflect your mood and preferences. And you can enhance the natural elements and textures of Nordic design style. But how do you use these colors without compromising the simplicity, functionality, and minimalism of Nordic design style? How do you balance them with lighter and softer tones? How do you choose the right colors for the right rooms and settings? Don't worry, I have you covered. In this video, I will share with you some tips, examples, and inspiration on how to use bold, dramatic, and powerful tones in Nordic design style. So, if you are ready to spice up your Nordic design style with some color, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And don't forget to let me know what you think in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Alright, let's get started. The first example I want to show you is this amazing Scandinavian design style apartment with a large open space. As you can see, the walls are painted in a deep green nuance, which creates a stunning contrast with the laminate flooring and the beige curtains. The green color also adds a touch of nature and freshness to the space, which is very typical of Nordic design style. The kitchen is small and functional with brown cabinets and a gray countertop. The brown color matches the wooden table and chairs in the dining area, creating a sense of harmony and continuity. The gray color complements the green color of the walls, creating a balance and a calm atmosphere. The living area is where the bold, dramatic, and powerful tones really shine. The orange leather sofa and the yellow armchairs are the focal points of the room, adding warmth, personality, and energy to the space. The orange and yellow colors also create a beautiful contrast with the green color of the walls, making the space more lively and vibrant. As you can see, this open space is a perfect example of how to use bold, dramatic, and powerful tones in Nordic design style. The colors are well balanced, well contrasted, and well matched, creating a stunning and cozy space that reflects the owner's taste and style. The next example I want to show you is this lovely small bedroom in Nordic style. As you can see, the walls are mostly white, which is very common in Nordic design style, as it creates a sense of specialness and brightness. However, one of the walls is painted in a blue accent color, which adds some drama and interest to the room. The bed has a cognac-colored leather headboard, which adds some warmth and texture to the room. The soft pink transparent drapes create a romantic and feminine touch as well as some privacy. The small painting on the wall adds some personality and charm to the room as well as some color and contrast. As you can see, this small bedroom is a perfect example of how to use bold, dramatic, and powerful tones in Nordic design style. The blue accent wall create a focal point and a sense of drama, while the cognac-colored leather headboard and the soft pink transparent drapes add some warmth and personality. The white color creates a sense of spaciousness and brightness, while the small painting adds some color and contrast. The next example I want to show you is this cozy, small Scandinavian style apartment in a soft, neutral color palette. As you can see, the walls, the floor, the bed, the furniture, and the curtains are all in shade of gray, white, and beige, creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere. However, there are some deep coral color accent spots which add some warmth and vibrancy to the room. The next example I want to show you is this elegant Scandinavian style living room idea. As you can see, the floor is laminated, which is very common in Nordic design style, as it is easy to clean and maintain. The windows are large, which let in a lot of natural light and air. The curtains are transparent, which adds some softness and privacy to the room. The walls are painted in a taupe color, which is a warm and neutral shade that creates a sense of harmony and sophistication. However, one of the walls is painted in a burgundy color, which adds some drama and elegance to the room. The burgundy color also creates a beautiful contrast with the taupe color, making the room more interesting and attractive. The sofa is also in burgundy color, matching the accent wall and creating a cozy and inviting sitting area. The deep purple area rug adds some depth and textures to the floor, as well as some color and warmth to the room. Next example I want to show you is this modern Scandinavian style apartment in a gray hues colored palette. As you can see, the walls, the floor, the sofa, and the armchair are all in shade of gray, creating a sleek and minimalist look. However, there are some green color accents which add some freshness and vibrancy to the space. The windows have green drapes which add some color and privacy to the room. The green also adds some contrast and interest to the gray color of the walls and the floor. The area rug is also in a green color which adds some warmth and textures to the floor as well as some color and freshness to the room. What about this charming small Scandinavian style apartment with a compact open space? As you can see, the floor is light color wooden, which is very common in Nordic design style, as it adds some warmth and natural beauty to the space. The windows are large, which let in a lot of natural light and air. The walls are in light gray and taupe color, which create a sense of spaciousness and brightness. The kitchen is one wall, which save a lot of space and make the room look bigger. The cabinets are dark brown, which adds some contrast and character to the room. The countertop is gray, which matches the wall and the floor. The kitchen is also equipped with some modern appliances, which add some functionality and convenience to the space. The dining area is next to the kitchen, creating a sense of continuity and harmony. The dining table is black with a white top, which creates a sleek and elegant look. The chairs are also black, matching the table and creating a cohesive and stylish look. The dining area is also decorated with some candles and vases, and which adds some charm and ambience to the space. The cognac color spots create a beautiful contrast with the light gray color, making the space more interesting and attractive. The next example I want to show you is this spacious, typical Scandinavian style design room. As you see, the windows are huge, which let a lot of natural light and offer a stunning view of the outside. The curtains are cream color, which adds some softness and privacy to the room. The floor is light color wooden, which adds some warmth and natural beauty to the space. The walls are taupe colors, which creates a sense of harmony and sophistication. The sofa is dark blue, which adds some drama and elegance to the room. The sofa is also very large and comfortable, creating a cozy and inviting sitting area. The sofa is complemented by some white and gray pillows, which adds some softness and balance to the room. The gray area adds some depth and textures to the floor, as well as some color and warmth to the room. Allow me to end my presentation with this small Scandinavian-style apartment with a compact L-shaped open space. Again, light color laminate flooring throughout and taupe color walls. However, the deep dark brown color living room walls make an interesting contrast with the rest of the open space. And that's it for today's video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. I hope you also got some inspiration and ideas on how to use bold, dramatic, and powerful tone in Nordic design style. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. I would also love to hear from you in the comments below. What do you think of these Nordic design style spaces with bold, dramatic and powerful tones? Which one is your favorite? Do you have any questions or suggestions for me? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. I really appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and happy. Bye for now.